Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Ramsha Valiante and I am here to discuss about elements in periodic table, which is magnesium. Magnesium is an element in periodic table that have an atomic number of 12, an atomic mass of 24,304 and 24,307, and the symbol of this is Mg, and it is found in the group number 2 in periodic table. I know that some of you have an idea about this element, so please listen and I will discuss some of the information that I prepared for all of you. The most important facts about magnesium is cofactor in more than 300 enzyme systems that regulate diverse biochemical reactions in the body, including protein synthesis, muscle, and nerve function. Magnesium is required for energy production, oxidative, phosphorylation, and glycolysis. So here, the magnesium is the way to help our body to have a healthy and strong muscle and nerve system. And also, it is used in technology to create a new type of life source. Let's proceed to the first one to discover magnesium. Magnesium was first isolated by Sir Humphrey Davy, an English chemist, in 1808 in London, England. He discovered it because Davy has built a large battery and used it to fast electricity through salt. In doing so, he discovered or isolated for the first time several alkali and alkali earth metals. Why magnesium symbol of Mg? The symbol for magnesium is Mg. Why not Ma? Because there have some elements that start with letter Ma like manganese. So that's why we use the third letter, which is Mg for magnesium and Mn for manganese. Purpose of magnesium. Magnesium is a nutrient that the body needs to stay healthy. Magnesium is important for many processes in the body, including regulating muscles and nerve function, blood sugar levels and blood pressure, and making protein, bone, and DNA. So we need to have a magnesium to our body. It helps us to give strong and healthy bodies. Let's proceed to the characteristic of magnesium. There are some characteristics of magnesium. It's a silvery white, low density, reasonably strong metal that tarnishes in air to form a tin oxide coating. Because magnesium and its alloy have very good corrosion resistance and good high temperature mechanical properties, the metal reacts with water to produce hydrogen gas. Magnesium is used in products that benefit from the lightweight, such as car seat, luggage, laptops, cameras, and power tools. It is also added to the molten iron and steel to remove sulfur, as magnesium ignites easily in air and burns with a bright light. It's used in flares, fireworks, and sparklers. How it possible to use? Because magnesium produces magnesite, dolomite, carnallite, seawater, and lake brines are all sources of magnesium metal. And also, most of the world magnesium production is sourced from magnesium-bearing materials such as magnesite and dolomite. And it's because magnesium is commercially produced by electrolysis of molten magnesium chloride, and the symbol of this is MgCl2. Why? Because Mg stands for magnesium and Cl is chlorine. And this is two elements, that's why we have number 2 in the bottom, so that is called compound. So that's it. I hope you understand my report. Thank you.